Hello everyone and welcome to another Looker Studio tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to change the data source in a YouTube channel Looker Studio report template. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So all you have to do is to edit your Looker Studio report, go to Page, click on Current Page Settings, and on the right hand side under the setup column you will need to click under the data source, and you are going to say add data. You are going to select YouTube Analytics, you are going to select your channel, you are going to add the data source in, and once you do that you will need to click once again here and select your new YouTube channel data source, and that's it. That's how easy it is to change the data source in this YouTube Looker Studio template report. That's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye everyone.